Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Comico. And today, meron tayong i-unpack at napaka-importante nito kasi yeah, it's kind of historical na kind of comics. Yeps. And yeah, it's comical because we are unleashing or unpacking a comics today. And yeah, this is a bit intriguing nung una siyang inilabas. Dahil this is one of the it's not the first one, but it's the first one which attempts yung ibang country ang gumawa ng ganitong story. Okay, so let's just explain that after nating ma-open or ma-unpack ang ating comics. So let's go. And yeah, it's not sponsored. Binili ko to. Binili ko to. So yeah, let's go. With this cutter, let's open this pack. Let's go. Okay, so we unpack the comics of Jose Rizal, the Filipino Hero's Life Illustrated. Yeah, and this is made by Ryo Kono and story by Takahiro Matsui. So, ito yung ibig sabihin ko na first. Kasi hindi naman first time na ginawa ng something comic si Rizal, maybe. Pero, sa alam ko lang, okay? Hindi talaga historically correct. Maybe, again, okay, maybe, correct me if I'm wrong. No problem for that. Stating the facts. But for me, this is a little bit of, hindi siya weird, but, let's say, unique. Kasi, ibang bansa ang gumawa nito. And, yeah, kasi, what I mean is, ibang tao, or I think hindi Pilipino, kasi Takahiro Matsui, I think this is a Japanese one. And this is a manga style na, kasi it's black and white, hindi siya colored. And yeah, I think need ko muna siyang i-open yung plastic dito. So, kunin ko muna yung plastic. Okay, so, it's safe ang pagkabata plastic niya. Ayan, ayan. And here. Now, let's try to see Jose Rizal, the Filipino Hero's Life Illustrated. Okay, this is made by art by Ryo Kono and then story by Takahiro Matsui, and then this is published by Anvil History. Okay, so ito yon. And I know Anvil meron din dito sa Pilipinas. At sa likod naman dito may nakasulat, once there was a hero who dreamed of freedom and equality. So, as I know, it's like a biography of Jose Rizal, which is our national hero here in the Philippines. So, yeah. So, let me see first on what can I... Wow, talagang para siyang manga, men. Pero, okay. So, hindi siya katulad sa manga, which is sa comics ng Japan, which is we are reading from right to left. But here, we will read this as usual, yung alam natin kung paano siya basahin, which is from left to right. Okay? So, yeah, it's okay. And, okay, it's under Anvil Publishing. Art by Ryo Kono, story by Takahiro Matsui. Yeah. Ano pa nandito? So, it is originally published online in Toriko Co. Ltd. Yun. So, they are using the biography of Rizal from the 1861 to 1896 and the hero's biography comic book strips of by Kono Ryu. Okay, so ito yon, sabi ko sa inyo. Galing to sa biography ni Rizal. So, it's just a scan first, pero talagang pag-uusapan natin to, okay? Kasi napaka-intriguing, ito, ang ganda. So, makikita mo talaga yung lagay nila or pagka-drawing nila sa art, which is very, very kind of manga-ish. Mayroon mga ganung term. Okay. So, talagang makamanga talaga yung dating. And I know talaga mafe-feel mo na Hapon yung gumawa ng story or gumawa ng art style. Yeah. Wow. Very nice, man. As in. So, I think it's like a flashback kind of style, which is, as I remember, kung nakapanood kayo ng Jose Rizal na movie, which is lead by Cesar Montano. Ang ginawa niya din doon is parang flashback din yung datingan, which is una yung pinakita yung pinatay siya and then nag-flashback lahat. At yeah, ganito yung nangyari ito sa comics natin ngayon. Parang nag-flashback siya. And wow, man, merong mga ano dito, Death Note, parang Death Note scene nga style. Ayan oh. Ayan. Siguro gagawin ko to na something parang storytelling na ano na video. So, yeah, I will try for that. Kasi, napakaganda. As in. And, yeah. Maganda yung drawing. Maganda yung ano dito. Tapos, medyo, meron pang pagka, pa. Meron, wow, realistic yung datingan dito. Parang, ano to? Oh, may bang si Rizal dito, men. Yeah. Kumapo siya dito. Wala pa siya ditong bigote. Hindi siya nilagyan ng bigote dito. Okay, ito yung part kung saan yung umuwi na siya sa Pilipinas, galing siya sa Espanya, and then isa na siyang ophthalmologist, which is inoperahan niya yung nanay niya, and then kasi alam niya na si nanay niya hindi na nakakakita. So yun yung nangyari. Ano to? Sino to? Sana gumawa rin sila ng ano, no, ng story din ni Bonifacio na ganito rin. I like this one. So, try natin. Basahin talagang parang na in the zone ako habang tinitingnan ko. Nagsascan na ako pero talagang nai-enjoy ako. Okay? So, it's really manga style, Japanese kind style of art ang nakikita ko dito. I will try to find who is this Takahiro Matsui and Ryo Kono. Sana talagang Japanese sila kasi baka pin name lang to ng mga Filipino na gumawa rin ng ganito na mga kind of comics. Okay? So, yeah, this is a very great one. It's very nice na ipabasa ito sa mga kabataan ngayon kasi marami na mga kabataan ngayon sa generation nila na hindi nila kilala yung pambansang bayani natin. Alam na nila si Jose Rizal ay nasa Luneta at nasa Piso. Yun lang. At sa Posporo. Yeah, hindi nila alam na si Rizal ay isang pambansang bayani ng ating bansa. Okay? So, yan lang. Sana makover natin to. I really plan to have a review and also make us a video story about this. Showing you some part of the pages and reading you voiceover of the Jose Rizal's The Filipino Hero's Life Illustrated. Yeah. Nagkaroon ito ng balita sa Facebook pero hindi sa TV, sa Facebook na merong ilalabas sa ito. At I'm very hyped na magkaroon ito. And also I'm expecting that this will be something expensive kasi nga siya ilang pages ba? Marami. It goes until 111 page. So, I think kasi yung hindi ko rin alam pa yung kung ilang page siya. Jose Rizal to Jose Rizal, tapos manga style yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. So, I'm expecting the price will go up from 300 to 600 and even 1,000 pesos just to have the story of Rizal. But, yeah, I've got this only for about, tingnan ko nga sa price dito. I think it's only 206 pesos kasama na doon ang ating shipping fee. Pero yeah, this is a very nice kind of comics. Sana tangkilikin pa to ng iba pang mga readers, especially sa comics industry. Ayun, pasiglahin natin ulit ang comics industry sa Pilipinas, especially na sa mga historical and mythological na mga stories natin dito sa ating bansa. Okay? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang itong kasing videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell para ma-inform pa kayo sa mga susunod ko pa na videos dito sa ating Comico. Okay? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off. And God Plaver. No. Comico signing off. Ayun, naka-God Plaver pa. Bye!